Here's the 60-second script. Every surveyor, navigator, and engineer knows that one wrong angle can throw an entire project off by miles. That's why converting between bearings and azimuths accurately is absolutely critical. The Bearing and Azimuth Interactive Calculator makes this instant and error-free. Just enter your direction format, whether that's a compass bearing like north 45 degrees east or a full 360-degree azimuth, and the calculator does the conversion automatically. Let's say you're working with an azimuth of 315 degrees. Punch it in and you immediately get north 45 degrees west. No manual math, no unit confusion, no mistakes. It also works in reverse. Enter any quadrant bearing and get the azimuth back in seconds. Whether you're in the field or at your desk, this free tool saves you time and keeps your calculations clean. Try the Bearing and Azimuth Interactive Calculator right now using the link below.